It's going up the vent. It's no good, it needs to go down. This thing is crusty. I should probably just redo the whole thing. So I'm gonna have to cut this. Here's why this is not ideal. Whoever piped this is an idiot because you have a ton of space right here. I have no clue if this is going up the vent or down the drain. No clue. So tried a couple times, and if that doesn't work, we'll cut it. All right, I put the trap back together. We might have gotten lucky because I actually pulled out a little bit of hair, but we'll see if that was enough. Yeah, it's leaking a little bit, but that's all right. Plumbing gods are with us. It's draining. When it comes to leaky unions on traps, I always use this stuff because there's little sand particles in there. It's a freaking mess. That's why I don't usually use it. But I feel like this works better than the Blue Monster.